Welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. I'm going to show you a special recipe on how to lighten your dark inner thighs in just 3 days. If your inner thighs are dark, this is the video to watch. This is baking soda, 1 spoon of it. I'm going to add this half spoon of turmeric powder into the baking soda and mix very well. My lemon is also on a standby. You can see I have my lemon ready. Just cut the lemon open and squeeze the lemon juice like this. So here we have the squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to take a spoon and add into a mixture of turmeric powder and baking soda. You can see it, and mix it very well. Let everything mix together. Still need some lemon juice for it to come together. I'll mix it. You can see it's coming out fine. Our paste is ready. This is the paste you need to apply on your black thighs, in between your legs, the black side. You apply this paste on it and allow it to stay for about 30 minutes or more if you can, and wash it off. You are to do that in the morning and in the evening if you have the chance. If you don't, you just do it once in a day, and within just 3 days you will see the difference. All the black patches in between your inner thighs will be fair, and it will blend the color of the skin, and your thighs will no longer be dark again. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. You can try this recipe. It's very effective for inner black thighs. It lightens it up. Please don't forget to click on our other interesting videos on beauty and hair care tips, and also click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow our Facebook page on Zara Niger or at Zara Beauty Recipe. Thank you.